Welcome to the Lost River YouTube channel. Here you'll find all our current class and sermon content, along with a library of past messages covering just about every topic you can imagine. So go ahead and hit subscribe, then spend a few minutes exploring before diving into a message series that speaks to you. At Lost River, our purpose is simple. We're here to lead people into a transforming relationship with Jesus. We believe this channel is one way to help make that happen. But you and I both know that real transformation doesn't happen in isolation. It happens in community. So we'd love to invite you to join us in person if you're here in our area, or just reach out to us by email or in any other way that you can from wherever you are. If you've got something on your heart, a question, a prayer request, or just need a real conversation, we'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching and welcome.